Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Tommy. I'm with Anabon Security's Technical Department, and today I'm going to cover RTMP stream. Recently, I did receive a call from one of our customers asking how they can make their camera live view online on internet. Easiest way to achieve that would be RTMP stream. Let's make an example here. As an example, you want to create a demo session for your end user, showing them how the daytime performance and the nighttime performance of a specific camera of Tianyi's would look like. So in that case, you can go with RTMP stream. All you have to do to make it online on your YouTube channel, as an example, would be creating RTMP URL at the camera side. Then using the same key that you have in there, you can make it online on YouTube as well. All right, let's go with an example here. As an example, let's go with YouTube Live here. I want to find out if I can make my camera online on my YouTube Live using RTMP protocol. So all I have here is stream key, stream URL, and backup server, which that one will will just do the same job as stream URL if that one is not working. So all I have to do is just to copy this one, put it on the notepad, and then go with the / here and copy my stream key, put it in there, and that I can copy it. Now the camera itself, you just have to go with configuration, network, advanced set, access platform. Make sure that RTMP is enabled. Then you can go with RTMP parameter setting, and here you can make it enabled on your first, second, or third stream if needed. Now the one that I have on my notepad, I'm just going to put it in here, give it a save, and then my online station will be showing online. And that means it should be online already on my YouTube channel. If it's not online for any reason, make sure that you do have your first stream, the stream that you're putting in the RTMP, on H.264, because that's what YouTube supports. And other than that, under audio settings, make sure that you do have your audio encoding on AAC, because again, that's what YouTube supports. After having those two configured, you can find out that on YouTube your camera is online and live. Back on YouTube Studio, as you can see, my camera will automatically come online here and live, and it says excellent connection. Great. So that was about setting up the RTMP stream. It's pretty much easy, and that was one of the use cases that we can go with using RTMP. Do not forget that your feedback does matter to us a lot, so anything that you want to hear from us, any specific topic in regards of configuration that you want us to cover, comment it below. We'll check it out, get back to you next week with a new video made out of it.